In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom objects and fields in Salesforce. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refine your skills, understanding how to customize Salesforce objects can greatly enhance your data management capabilities and streamline your workflow. Let's dive in and explore this process together. First, you'll need to start by navigating to your Salesforce setup. Go ahead and click the gear icon located in the top right corner of your screen. From here, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This takes you into the back-end area where you have greater control over Salesforce's features. Once in Advanced Setup, direct your attention to the Quick Find box on the left side of your screen. Type in Object Manager. The Quick Find box is a handy tool that allows you to swiftly locate the section you're looking for. After typing it in, you'll see the Object Manager appear. Click on it to access the area where you'll manage your Salesforce objects. Now let's focus our attention on creating a new custom object. In the Object Manager, you'll notice the Create button on the top right. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Custom Object. This is the starting point for crafting a new object tailored to your requirements. You'll then be prompted to enter several object details. Begin by entering a label, which is essentially the name your object will be publicly known by. Also include a plural label for instances where you reference more than one item. Then provide an object name, which acts as the internal name within Salesforce. Lastly, complete the record name field. Once you've filled in these details, click Save to create your custom object. With your custom object created, it's time to add some custom fields. Return to the Object Manager and find the custom object you just created. For instance, if you've named it Project, find and select it from the list. Once selected, direct your attention to the left-hand panel and click on Fields and Relationships. This section is dedicated to creating and managing fields associated with your custom object. To add a new custom field, click on New. You'll need to choose a data type for this field, such as text, number, date, pick list, or lookup. Take a moment to think about what kind of information this field will hold, then click Next. Now complete the field details, enter a field label, which is the name you'll see on the user interface, while the system auto-generates a field name that can be edited. Specify any additional characteristics like the field's length if needed, then click Next. You'll be asked to choose which page layouts should include this field. Simply make your selection and click Next again. Give one final review to ensure all selections are correct, then click Save. Congratulations, you have successfully created a custom object and custom fields within Salesforce. By following these steps, you not only enhance your Salesforce environment, but also customize it to better fit your business processes. Thank you for watching, and happy customizing in Salesforce.